Songbird, today I'm going to be showing you the one thing that you need to be practicing every day in order to help you sing better instantly. So, I bet you're wondering, what's this one thing that you need to be practicing daily in order to sing instantly? Here it is. It is straw phonation in water. Something like this. Okay, straw phonation is something I absolutely love, and you've probably seen me do about 1 million videos already about it, all right? There's so much science behind how singing through a straw will actually help your vocal folds to vibrate in the most optimal positioning, creating greater resonance and ease for your singing. Now, it sort of goes up another level when you put your straw in some water. Now, there's a lot of science behind that as well. I'm not going to get into all of that today, but basically, there are scientific studies that say that when you actually spend at least 10 minutes a day practicing straw phonation exercises into water, that, you know, that feeling of your vocal folds just like being really soothed and massaged, that effect on your vocal folds lasts a lot longer than if you just, do straw phonation with just the straw like this. All right. So you know what? I'm here for that, okay? I want that beautiful feeling of my voice being taken to the spa and, just like pampered and massaged to last longer throughout the day. So I actually personally practice this every single day myself. I spend at least 8 minutes, but sometimes, about 10 minutes or so doing this every single morning. So I've got my best 3 exercises for you to practice your straw phonation in water too. So first of all, go get yourself a glass jar like this, or a large glass like this, or even a mug or whatever, and then fill it up with halfway water, and then grab yourself a straw and let's get right in. Hey, if you're excited about straw phonation in water and really helping you to sing instantly better, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you never miss out on any new videos that I drop. Exercise 1, descending arpeggio. So it's always good to start your vocal exercises, I think anyway, with a descending line rather than an ascending line. So that means that the scale goes down like this, right? Because it's just a beautiful way to get your voice woken up without the potential for strain. Because when we move up in a scale, particularly when we're not warmed up yet, we do tend to strain a little bit. So this is my first exercise for you. So you go like this. Okay, that's all it is, all right? Now, I'm going to play the scale for you, so you go ahead and come along with me as I play it. Let's go. Nice work. Fantastic. Now, I have a full extended version of this video with exercises that I take you through the whole of your range, tailored to female and male voices. If you'd like to get free access to that, click on the link below right now. Now, straw phonation in water on an arpeggio. So, like this. All right, your turn. Let's go. Excellent. Amazing work. Now, straw phonation in water with the long scale. The long scale goes like this. I'll show you just on piano first. Here it is one more time. Okay, now we're going to do it with the straw in water. All right, I think it's your turn. Incredible work, Songbird. Now, if you want the full extended version of these exercises tailored to male and female voice, plus access to my whole library of online singing courses, masterclasses, tutorials, and so much more, go and take your 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy right now. Just click on the link below. Songbird, if you want more tips on how to instantly improve your voice, click on this video here. You're absolutely going to love it. Now, Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.